Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at CodeStar, which helps you quickly develop, build, and deploy applications on AWS. So let's get to it. All right, so looking at CodeStar here, it is a wizard for getting common application projects set up. You get a deployment pipeline, access management, and a project dashboard to monitor infrastructure. I would say one of the biggest values here is that you get that deployment pipeline. So it would be setting up code pipeline for you, which can be very difficult for a lot of people to figure out how to get that set up for you. And you can get started with a lot of different kinds of projects. So for example, you can get started with Elastic Beanstalk with Ruby on Rails. You can get started with a serverless project. You can get started with an Alexa project. And you can get started with something like Python or Django, but that's with EC2 instances with a load balancer. So it does really abstract away a lot of the infrastructure you would have to implement. And then you do get this nice dashboard that you can work with. So let's look further. So just looking at that process here, how you'd create a project. First, you'd select a template. So here I got Ruby on Rails on an EC2 instance. And then the next thing you're going to do is choose whether you want this to be in code commit or GitHub. And it's creating a new repo for you. So you name the repo whatever you want. It's going to put all the code in there for you. It's going to basically clone whatever they have over there. And then the next thing is you're going to choose to configure this pipeline. So there it's using code pipeline. You can see that we have all those steps in there. And you'll work your way through that until you get to a project dashboard.